guys, are you looking for the pronunciation of this word? So, in this video, I am going to tell you how to pronounce this word correctly. So, let's start. The correct pronunciation of this word is Hindbrain. 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 Once more time. Hindbrain. Hindbrain. Repeat it with me. Hindbrain. 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 I hope that the pronunciation of this word is clear to all of you. So, the correct pronunciation of this word is Hindbrain. Hindbrain. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos related to pronunciation.